Well, let's take a look at Apple earnings right now. They did not disappoint. My next guest says the report actually reinforces the company's position as one of the more profitable companies in the world. Can it continue? Let's bring in Valtrion CEO Rob Luna. Rob, it's great to have you here.
Good to see you,
In
Cheryl.
person, by the way, we
Yeah.
should say. So take us through the earnings and what you saw. What was most important to you
Look, I
in
think
the numbers?
services continue to do what they need to do. I think when you look at Apple right now, I think the earnings were good. They have a $100 million buyback, which everybody likes. But I think that also kind of rings the bell that everyone's been worried about. What are they doing in AI? They've been saying they've been lagging behind. They haven't been a leader there. What are they going to do? They're giving all that money back to shareholders. That makes you worry about the future growth story of Apple. Look, I love Apple. I think it's part of everybody, should be a part of everyone's portfolio. The challenge is at 30-something times forward earnings, where it's at after the big run in the stock. If you're not in it or you're looking to add new capital, I don't know that this is exactly where you want to be doing.
Okay, so you're not adding to Apple right now, which obviously makes sense. Let's talk broader market. What a day. I mean, the NASDAQ hitting 25,000 for the first time. We're on track for a record on the NASDAQ and the S&P. But you have to ask yourself if we're heading into overbought territory, or the other side of this could be this is just new support and we're going to keep powering higher in the next month.
Look, it's challenging. We're coming off of 2 years. Let's remember, Cheryl, 20% back-to-back years. We came into this year, valuations weren't that great. We had a big dip, which I expected at the beginning of the year. The Fed really isn't giving us a lot of relief here. The good thing when you look at the Mag 7 earnings, I think that was a little bit of a sigh of relief. I think a lot of people were worried about that. That being said, I think it's going to be an individual stock story that we're in right now. Market valuations are a little bit high, so you have to be a stock picker in a market like
Let's
this.
talk about some of the pillars that you're looking at, just in general. So you say if you look at the next winners in the market, it's going to be about compute, it's going to be about energy, and then it's going to be about storage.
Yes.
3 themes from you.
Right. And if you look at the storage names, you talk about picking individual stocks. Look at Micron, look at Seagate right now. These names are up over 100%. They were under the radar last year. They're not under the radar anymore. Storage, when you listen to what Microsoft is saying, when you listen to what Google is saying, there's a short. Even Apple just came out and said, hey, there's going to be a shortage. This is going to be another headwind for Apple right now. So you've got to be in names like that right now. But the big play, I think, everyone is talking about energy right now.
Sure.
When you look at some of the nuclear plays, President Trump says he wants a nuclear reactor on the moon here pretty soon. Look at some of the nuclear plays out there right now. They've been beaten up. A name like Nano Nuclear just submitted a construction permit to the Nuclear Regulatory Commission, first ever commercially viable micro reactor out there. This is starting to get some legs, and I think investors should look back there.
So here's Nano Nuclear, just kind of give these names out to our viewers so they can see them. And then you've got Oklo, and then you've got NuScale as well. So those are the 3 within that energy sector. So you're not doing the traditional energy picks, right?
Well, no, and you see that they didn't do too well today. You saw Chevron and Exxon come out. This is where the ball, Wayne Gretzky said he skates to where the puck is going. This is where the puck is going. One thing I'll say, though, Cheryl, about these names, a lot of them came public very early. So some of these are pre-revenue. A lot of investors aren't quite used to that. So this is very early stage. You've got to be careful. They're going to be very, very volatile. But if you're looking at some of those 10 baggers upside to carve out that aggressive part of your portfolio, these are some of the names you should look at.
The 10-bagger joke is back. Let's talk about this rare earths, storage, compute. That's the themes. But then you've also got these names here, and I want to focus on NVIDIA because we're going to be getting those earnings next week, and that could be a real game changer, I think, for AI.
Yeah, it's the last one of the Mag 7, not to report. I believe that's going to be coming out, so everybody's got their eyes on them. The stock hasn't done that well year to date, but again, it's digesting huge moves that it's had. People are going to be taking a look at it. I think, again, long term, you can't build out AI without NVIDIA right now. So it's a name you got to take a look at.
And USA Rare Earth, I think, is interesting because you've got an administration right now that is 1,000% focused on lifting all regulatory burdens to make sure that we have critical minerals and that we have those produced, mined in this country.
Exactly. And USAR is the one named to play that right now. This is stock, again, it's a little bit under the radar. Volatility around it, but this is a stock I think people should be taking a look at.
Absolutely. You got a couple of, traditional names. Let's throw these out here. Let the old guys get in here. JP Morgan Chase, UPS, and Microsoft. I mean, obviously, JP Morgan Chase, the earnings were strong. They kicked off the whole banking sector had a good reporting season. And then Microsoft and UPS.
Yeah, so the thought behind here is AI, and I talk a lot about, I spend most of my time looking at the micro caps and those 10 baggers, if you will, but you can't build your whole portfolio around those. So when you start thinking, what does AI do to some of these other companies like UPS, like JP Morgan, like Microsoft that have UPS, a lot of employees, pension liabilities that they are now scaling back. Companies like JP Morgan, a lot of their trading and those things are going algorithmic through AI now. So that's reducing headcount, which we all know maybe not great in the short term for the economy, but longer run, it's going to make these companies much more profitable. So you can start looking at some of these older laggards that have the ability to improve their bottom line by implementing AI.
Interesting. Okay. And again, Microsoft, JP Morgan, UPS, transportation play. You're not worried about jet fuel prices, I take it.
Well, look, I think this
A little
stock has
bit,
been
just a little
beaten up
bit.
just a little bit, but you got a really big dividend that I think is pretty safe here, which UPS was going to give you some protection.
All right. All right. Rob, it's great to see you. Rob
too.
Luna right here
Thanks,
on
Cheryl.
set in New York with us.